So as you can see, we have a lot of snow. We have a stray cat that seems to be in the neighborhood. So my neighbors, who couldn't take it in, built this little cooler for him. And as you can see, he's in there. And they put a lamp in there. And it keeps him nice and warm and toasty for he doesn't freeze. So you can be nice to animals. So I went in and got him a snack, just to see if he'll come out. Oh, look, there he is. Look, Big Red. Well, look at his home. See? Little hole, little blanket, little lamp. And he stays warm and he doesn't freeze to death. And there he is eating his little snack. Loving life. And they shovel for him. But he does stay nice and warm. The thing I have to point out about Big Red is he's a stray cat. And when he first started coming around here, he actually was like kind of sickly looking. But he looks great now. He definitely looks hungry. They leave the light on in there all the time for him, for he gets the heat. And since it's a cooler, it kind of retains some of that heat. And they just cut a little hole in it big enough for him to come in. Put a blanket in there and a lamp. Because they can't take him in because he's not fixed and he sprays everywhere. But they didn't want to see him freeze to death either. And once he's done eating, he'll go back into his little home. He must have been really hungry.